Okay, so true story. Last month, I moved into a new apartment, and on my very first morning there, I stepped outside to get my mail, and my neighbor was standing right there at his mailbox too.
Oh no, I already know where this is going.
We just looked at each other, and I panicked, Rose. I genuinely panicked. I said good morning way too loudly, and then I just stood there holding my mail like it was the most interesting thing I had ever seen in my life.
Yes, that silence right after good morning is the worst part.
It is, because in my head I was thinking, do I say something else? Do I ask his name? Do I just walk away? I ended up saying, well, have a good one, and speed walking back inside like I was late for something. I was not late for anything.
Honestly, I do the exact same thing, especially with neighbors, because it is this strange relationship, isn't it? You see them all the time, but you don't really know them.
That is exactly it. It is not like meeting a stranger once. You are going to see this person again tomorrow and the day after that. So there is this pressure to get it right.
And if the first interaction is awkward, then every single time after that feels awkward too.
Right, it just builds. So for weeks, I was quietly dreading taking out my trash at the same time as him.
Ugh, I felt that in my chest. That is such a real feeling.
But here's the good news. I finally learned a few simple things to say, and now when I see him, it actually feels easy, comfortable even.
Which is exactly what we are talking about today.
Exactly. Small talk with neighbors. That short, friendly, slightly awkward, but honestly kind of wonderful part of everyday life.
And I love this topic because it is one of those things that feels small, but it actually shapes how comfortable you feel in your own home, in your own neighborhood.
It really does. If you dread walking past your neighbor, that is stress every single day.
But if you know a few easy phrases, suddenly it is not stressful anymore. It is just nice.
So welcome everyone to the Living English Podcast.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Rose. And if this is your first time listening, we make these episodes for real English learners who want conversations that actually sound like real life, not textbook English.
Because a textbook will teach you how do you do, but nobody says that anymore.
Nobody. Not once. Not ever.
Today, by the end of this episode, you are going to know exactly what to say when you run into your neighbor, whether you are getting your mail, taking out the trash, waiting for the elevator, or just walking your dog.
You will know how to start the conversation, how to keep it going for a few friendly lines, and how to end it naturally, without it feeling stiff or sudden.
And you will learn phrases that native English speakers use every single day, without even thinking about it.
If you are enjoying these episodes and you want more conversations like this one, it would honestly mean a lot if you hit subscribe. It helps us keep making these for you, and it helps more learners find us too.
No pressure though. Just know we are really glad you're spending this time with us.
All right, Jack. So tell me, why does this specific situation, small talk with neighbors, feel so tricky for so many learners?
Great question. So first, I want anyone listening to know this feeling is completely normal. It is not just a language problem.
Right. Even native speakers feel a little awkward with neighbor small talk sometimes.
Exactly. It is a strange kind of relationship. You are not close friends, but you are not strangers either. There's this in-between space, and English has a whole set of phrases just for that space.
So what kind of English do you actually need here?
You need short, warm, low-pressure phrases. Nothing too personal, nothing too deep. Just enough to say, I see you, I am friendly, and we are good.
It's almost like the goal is not really information, it's connection.
That is such a good way to put it. When your neighbor says, nice weather we're having, they do not actually want a weather report.
Right. Nobody needs a 5-minute explanation of the humidity.
They are just saying, hello, I see you, we are okay. That's the whole message.
So for learners, the pressure to say something clever or perfect, you can just let that go.
Completely let it go. Short and warm beats clever every single time.
I love that. Okay, so now I'm really curious what this sounds like in real life.
Let's actually show it. We're going to do a role play now, a few different neighbor moments, so you can hear exactly how this sounds naturally.
I love a good role play. All right, everyone, get comfortable because Jack and I are about to become neighbors for a few minutes.
I promise I am a good neighbor, mostly quiet, occasionally sings in the shower.
Noted. Okay, let's set the scene. It's Saturday morning and we are both outside getting our mail.
Oh, hey there. Morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Good, good. Just grabbing the mail. How about you? How's everything with you?
Can't complain. Little tired, but honestly, who isn't on a Saturday?
Fair point. Nice weather we're having, isn't it? Finally some sun.
I know, right? After all that rain last week, I was starting to forget what the sky looked like.
Same here. I actually got to sit outside with my coffee this morning for the first time in weeks.
That sounds so nice. Simple things, honestly.
Truly. Oh, by the way, I've been meaning to ask, did you hear anything about that noise last night? Sounded like construction, maybe.
Oh, that was probably the building next door. I think they are redoing the roof.
Ah, that explains it. Good. I was starting to think I was imagining things.
Huh, no, you were not imagining it. It woke my dog up too, and he does not wake up for anything.
Well, at least we solved the mystery together.
Teamwork. All right, I should head back in, but it was really nice chatting.
Same here. Take care. Enjoy the sunshine.
You too. Catch you later.
See, everyone? That is it. That whole conversation, start to finish, maybe 90 seconds, but it covers so much useful language.
It really does. Greeting, weather, a little question, a little answer, and then a warm, easy goodbye.
And nothing in there was hard. It was all short, simple, friendly language.
This is honestly what most real conversations with neighbors sound like. Short, warm, and a little bit repetitive, which is actually good news for learners.
Very good news, because it means once you learn these phrases, you can use them again and again.
Okay, let's do one more scene, because I think seeing this in a slightly different situation will really help too.
Great idea. Let's do the haven't seen you in a while version. This happens all the time with neighbors, especially if someone has been traveling or just busy.
Oh, I love this one. Okay, setting the scene, we are both taking out our trash at the same time, in the evening.
Oh, hey, long time no see.
I know, right? It feels like forever. How have you been?
I've been good, just really busy with work. How about you? What's new with you?
Same, honestly. Work has been a lot lately. But I did just get back from a little trip, so that was nice.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
Just a short trip, nothing too exciting, but it was good to get away for a few days.
That sounds lovely. I definitely need something like that soon.
Don't we all? Well, I should get back inside. Dinner is probably burning right now.
Oh no, go. Good seeing you though.
You too. Let's not wait so long next time.
Agreed. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Okay, so notice something here, Rose. Even though this conversation had a slightly different topic, a trip instead of the weather, the structure was almost the same.
Totally. Warm greeting, quick personal update, a little bit of interest in the other person, and then a friendly goodbye.
That structure is basically the skeleton of neighbor small talk. Once you know it, you can fill it in with almost any small detail.
Okay, I want to do one more because I think there's one situation learners really worry about.
Let me guess. The awkward elevator moment.
Yes, exactly that.
Oh, that one is a classic. You are trapped, literally, in a small box with a person you barely know.
There is nowhere to go. You cannot just walk away.
This is such a real fear for learners because there's this pressure to fill the silence.
Right, but the truth is, you don't have to fill every second with words.
Exactly. A short, friendly exchange is completely enough. Let's show it.
Okay, we are in the elevator now. Doors just closed.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. How about you?
Can't complain. Long day, though.
Oh, I hear you. Fridays always feel the longest, don't they?
They really do. At least the weekend's almost here.
Exactly what I keep telling myself. All right, this is my floor.
Have a good one.
You too. Take care.
See? That whole thing was maybe 8 lines, but it felt warm, natural, and complete.
And nobody had to talk about anything deep or complicated.
This is honestly such a helpful cultural insight, too. In a lot of English-speaking countries, especially in everyday casual settings, silence with a stranger or neighbor is completely acceptable, but a short, friendly comment is always appreciated.
So you are not failing if you don't talk the whole elevator ride.
Not at all. A little warmth goes a long way, and then it's okay to just exist quietly together.
I love that. Okay, I think we have some really rich material now. Should we slow down and teach some of these phrases properly?
Let's do it. Time for our learning guide.
All right, everyone, grab a pen if you like taking notes, or just get comfortable and repeat after us. Let's break down the key phrases from those conversations.
First one, how's it going?
This is a super casual way to ask, how are you? You can use it with neighbors, coworkers, friends, almost anyone in a relaxed setting.
Example, hey, how's it going? Haven't seen you in a while.
Think of it like a friendly little wave, but with words. Say it with me, everyone. How's it going?
Perfect. Next phrase, nice weather we're having, isn't it?
This is a classic small talk opener. The real meaning behind it is not really about weather. It is a friendly way to start talking without saying anything too personal.
Example, nice weather we're having, isn't it? Finally warming up.
I like to think of this phrase as a soft handshake in word form. It is gentle, safe, and welcoming.
Say it with me, everyone. Nice weather we're having, isn't it?
Next, same here.
This is a quick, easy way to agree with someone, especially about feelings or experiences.
Example, I'm a little tired today.
Same here, honestly. It's like saying me too, but shorter and more natural in casual speech.
Say it with me. Same here.
Next phrase, I've been meaning to.
This means you have wanted to do or say something for a while, but just haven't yet.
Example, I've been meaning to ask you about that noise last night.
Picture a little sticky note in your brain that just keeps getting pushed to the bottom of the pile. That is, I've been meaning to.
Say it with me, everyone. I've been meaning to.
Okay, let's keep going. Next phrase, long time no see.
This is what you say when you have not seen someone in a while and you are happy to see them again.
Example, hey, long time no see, how have you been?
It is playful, friendly, and it works perfectly for neighbors you only see sometimes.
Say it with me. Long time no see.
Next, can't complain.
This is a relaxed way to answer how are you, meaning things are fine, nothing bad to report.
Example, how's everything? Can't complain, just staying busy.
Think of it like a shrug with a smile. It is not super excited, but it is definitely positive.
Say it with me. Can't complain.
Next phrase, take care.
This is a warm, simple way to say goodbye, showing you wish the person well.
Example, all right, I should head inside. Take care.
It is a little bit more caring than just saying bye, like a small hug in word form.
Say it with me, everyone. Take care.
Next, catch you later.
A casual, friendly way to say goodbye when you expect to see the person again soon.
Example, all right, catch you later. Have a good one.
Say it with me. Catch you later.
And our last phrase for today, small talk.
This is the actual name for this kind of light, friendly, casual conversation we have been practicing.
Example, I'm not great at small talk, but I'm getting better.
And that example is honestly true for so many of us, learners and native speakers both.
Say it with me, everyone. Small talk.
Okay, that was such a good list. Let's actually practice using these phrases together in a slightly different scene, so it really sticks.
Great idea. Let's imagine this time it is your turn, listener. I will play your neighbor, and Rose is going to guide you through what to say.
I love this. Okay, everyone, get ready to answer out loud if you want, or just think through your answer. Ready, Jack?
Ready? Oh, hey, long time no see.
Now it's your turn, listener. You could say something like, I know, right? How have you been?
I've been good, just busy. How about you? How's everything?
You could answer, can't complain, just staying busy too.
Nice weather we're having, isn't it?
And here you could simply agree. Same here. Finally some sun.
Definitely. Oh, I've been meaning to ask, did you get a new car? I saw it in the driveway.
You could say something like, oh yeah, just got it last week. Still getting used to it.
That's exciting. Well, I should get going, but it was really nice chatting.
And here is your closing line, listener. Take care. Catch you later.
You too. Bye.
See how natural that felt? You basically used almost every phrase we just learned, all in one short, easy conversation.
And that is the whole point. These phrases are not separate little facts to memorize. They work together like puzzle pieces that fit into real conversations.
I really think doing this out loud, even just once a day with an imaginary neighbor, helps so much.
Absolutely. Practice out loud, even alone, even in your kitchen. Your mouth needs the practice just as much as your brain does.
Okay, let's do one final little practice round, just to lock these phrases in even more.
Let's do it. This time, quick fire. I will give a little situation, and you, Rose, respond as if you are the neighbor.
I'm ready.
Okay, you are getting your mail, and you see your neighbor for the first time in weeks.
Hey, long time no see. How have you been?
Nice. Now it is raining, and you both just stepped outside at the same time.
Ha, of course it's raining. Nice weather we're having, isn't it?
Perfect. Now your neighbor asks how you are doing, and honestly, you are just fine. Nothing special.
Can't complain, just the usual.
And now you are ending the conversation, and you want to sound warm but casual.
All right, take care. Catch you later.
See, everyone, Rose did not hesitate at all there, because these phrases are becoming automatic for her now.
Honestly, that is exactly how it should feel eventually. Not like translating in your head, just natural little responses.
And that comes from repetition, exactly like we just did. Small, quick practice again and again.
I really think this kind of practice, out loud, in real situations or imagined ones like this, is what actually builds fluency.
Completely agree. Reading a phrase is one thing, but saying it with the right rhythm and feeling, that is what makes it truly yours.
All right, I think we have given everyone so much good material today. Should we recap everything?
Let's do it.
Okay, so quick recap for everyone. Today we practiced small talk with neighbors, and honestly, we covered so much.
We started with my slightly embarrassing mailbox moment.
Which, by the way, so many of us have lived through in one form or another.
Right. And we talked about why this situation feels tricky. It is that in-between space, not stranger, not close friend, and English has a whole gentle, low-pressure style just for that.
Then we did several role plays at the mailbox, taking out the trash, and even the classic awkward elevator moment.
And through all of those, we learned 8 really useful phrases. Let's say them one more time together, everyone.
How's it going?
Nice weather we're having, isn't it?
Same here.
I've been meaning to.
Long time no see.
Can't complain.
Take care.
Catch you later.
And of course, the phrase for the whole topic itself, small talk.
If you learn just these phrases and practice them out loud a few times, you already have everything you need for almost any quick neighbor conversation.
And remember, the goal is not to be clever or interesting. The goal is just to be warm and easy.
Short and warm beats long and perfect every single time.
I really love that as a takeaway, honestly. Not just for English, but for life.
Very true.
Okay, now it is time for our favorite part, the question of the day.
I love this part because it really connects everyone listening together.
So here is today's question. Think about your own neighborhood or apartment building or street. Is there a small talk moment you find easy and one you still find a little awkward?
And honestly, there is no wrong answer here. Maybe elevators are easy for you, but mailboxes feel weird. Or maybe it is the opposite.
Write it in the comments in English using 1 or 2 of the phrases we learned today if you can.
And if you read the comments, you will probably notice something really comforting.
What's that?
So many other learners feel exactly the same awkwardness you do. This feeling is universal. It is not just you, and it is definitely not because of your English level.
That is such a good point. Even fluent speakers get a little awkward sometimes. We just have a few automatic phrases to smooth it over.
Exactly. And now you have those phrases too.
I genuinely cannot wait to read everyone's answers. It always makes this feel like such a warm, connected little community.
It really does. Okay, Rose, should we wrap up for today?
Let's do it.
So to everyone listening, I just want to say, if small talk with neighbors has ever felt awkward for you, please know that awkwardness does not mean you are bad at English.
It just means you are human, honestly. Every single person on this planet has stood at a mailbox not knowing what to say.
Truly, even me, clearly, with my very loud, very unnecessary good morning.
And now you have real, natural phrases ready to go. That is genuine progress, even if it feels small.
It is not small at all. Every short, comfortable conversation you have from now on is proof that you are learning, actually learning, not just studying.
I love that distinction, living the language instead of just studying it.
Exactly why we called this show Living English Podcast.
If today's episode helped you, even a little, we would love it if you shared it with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together always feels a little lighter.
And if you haven't yet, remember, you are always welcome to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
We will keep bringing you real, natural, everyday English, one small, honest conversation at a time.
So the next time you step outside and see your neighbor, take a breath, smile, and just say, "Hey, how's it going?"
You've got this.
Until next time, take care, everyone.
And remember, every small conversation is one more step forward. Catch you later.